Hey, how's it going? I'm Seth Connell, CTO with Nanu Water Tech here, walking you through installation of our 5 gallon a minute nanobubble generator. Your box should have arrived something like this, little handheld guy. And once you're ready to open it, go ahead and just take a knife or whatever and want to cut into the box, into that label. And then once you open it up, on the inside, you're going to see a QR code. And this is going to link you to detailed instructions and an FAQ. If there's a question you have that's not answered there, feel free to email us, info@nanuwatertech.com, or you can leave the question in the comments below. And then once you're ready, go ahead and take your unit out, discard the packaging there, and it should look something like this. You have half-inch MPT connections on the top and bottom for your water source, and then you have a barb connection receiver here for your gas source, unless you're using ambient air, which is where if you just leave this open to the air, it will pull that air in and create air nanobubbles. So once you're ready, go ahead and make sure to use Teflon tape on your MPT threads. Just want to make sure everything is watertight, and then thread directly onto the unit like that. And we have our 5 gallon a minute diaphragm pump here. It's rated for 60 psi, but anything over 20 should give you more than adequate nanobubble generation. Anything less will give you decent aeration, much better than regular air stones. So yeah, so that's basically how you set it up. Pretty simple and straightforward. If you have any questions, again, please leave them in the comments below, and happy nanobubble generating.